Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, we'll be dealing with how to use completing the square method to solve quadratic equation. So, say solving quadratic equation using completing the square method. Completing the square method. So let's take an exercise. Exercise 1. Using completing the square method, solve for y in 3y squared plus 25y minus 18 equals to 0. So using completing the square method, let's solve this problem now. So solution: 3y squared plus 25y minus 18 equals to 0. So we're going to take it step by step. So step 1, take the constant, that is minus 18, to the right hand side of the equation. That is 3y squared plus 25 equal to 18. So now that this has been done, divide both sides by the coefficient of y squared. Divide both sides by the coefficient of y squared. So that's step 2. So when you divide that, this becomes y squared plus 25 over 3 equal to 18 divided by 3. So that makes this to become y squared plus 25 over 3y equals to 6. So this is what we have now. So what is the next stage? Just as we studied from the previous video, is to add the square of half of the coefficient of y to both sides. So add the half of the coefficient of the value of y to both sides. So let's what I have to do is, let's first of all find the coefficient of y. That is 25 over 3. So what is the half? That multiply by 1 over 2, and that makes it 25 over 6. So the squared is 25 over 6 raised to the power of 2. So I'm going to add this to both sides. So it becomes y squared plus 25 over 3y plus 25 over 6 all squared equal to 6 plus 25 over 6 squared. Now that we have done this, let us open up and see what we can do from it. So the next thing we are going to do now is y squared plus 25 all over 6y plus 25 over 6y. I believe you understood how we got this. So I just expounded this 25 all over 3y to be 25 over 6y plus 25 over 6y. So if you add this together, you will definitely have 25 all over 3y. So plus 25 over 6, 25 over 6 squared equal to 6 plus 25 over 6 squared. So this is squared. So now that I did this, so I can factorize this out. I have y, so I can have y into y plus 25 over 6, close bracket. I have 25 over 6 here, that's 25 over 6 into y plus 25 over 6 plus 6, okay, equal to 6 plus 25 over 6 squared. Over 6 squared. So if I factorize this, I'll be left with y plus 25 over 6 multiply y plus 25 over 6. So that is what we did there, equal to 6 over 1 plus 25 multiplied by 25, correct, that should be 625, all over 6 times 6 is 36. So I now have y plus 25 over 6 all squared equal to 6 over 1 plus 625 all over 36. So let's find the LCM of this and get to solve it. So this is 36. 36 multiplied by 6 is 216. Yes, 216 plus 625. So this gives us 841 over 36. So now we have y plus 25 over 6 all squared equal to 841 divided by 36. So what we'll do next is to find the square root of both sides. So this cancel this, I'm left with this. So y plus 25 all over 6 is equal to the square root of 841, yes, is 29, correct, 29, and the square root of 36 is 6. So we have this. Now y is equal to, something is missing, right? When we find the square root, this must be plus or minus. Do not forget, plus or minus. So here we should have plus or minus. So this is y equal to plus or minus 29 over 6 minus 25 over 6. So we're going to separate this. Remember that whenever we solve quadratic equation, we must have two answers, that is two roots of the quadratic equation. So when we separate it, we have y, when y equal to 29 plus 6, we are taking the positive part, minus 25 over 6, or minus 29 over 6 minus 25 over 6. So let's solve for the both. Here the LCM is still 6, so 29 minus 25, or here 2 is still 6 minus 29 minus 25. So 29 minus 25 is simply 4 here, 4 over 6, or minus 25 minus 29, so that gives us minus 54 over 6. So this gives us 2 over 3 to reduce to the lowest term, or we have 9, because 54 divided by 6 is 9, so that is minus 9. So the value of y is equal to 2 all over 3 or minus 9. So we just use the completing the square method to find the root of the quadratic equation. I hope you understood everything we did in this video. Check them well, go through the process again, understand them and install them in your memory. Try more questions regarding quadratic equation using completing the square method Bye bye. See you in the next video.